Today, we are covering one of the premier luxury condo buildings in Boston, the Pierce at 188 Brookline Ave in the Fenway neighborhood, which features some of the nicest homes in the city. This 368-foot-tall residential tower consists of 30 floors, including 2 floors of retail spaces, 109 condo units on the top floors, and 240 rental units. This video will go over everything you need to know about the building, units, pricing, floor plans, and location. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me with additional questions about this property, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. Completed in 2018, the project was developed by Samuels & Associates with the design done by CBT Architects. Located at the intersection of Brookline Ave and Boylston Street in the Fenway section of Boston, this residential triangle-shaped property had one of the quickest unit sellouts in Boston history. The tower's prominence creates a gateway into the Fenway area and is symmetrically located on a triangular site to create pedestrian-friendly podium streetscapes. In an effort to balance new luxury with the existing iconic fabric of the area, the building is designed in simplicity with contemporary materials to modernize the building against its context. Glass and metal panels the facade with a metal paneling patterned down to the scale and texture of a more traditional masonry brownstone. As the building comes to grade and its opacity increases, it more closely reflects the history of the neighborhood within which it rises. The homes within the Pierce itself are unique with amazing views and outstanding finishes, but the success of the building is as much about the neighborhood as it is about the specs. Nowhere else in the city do you have such easy access to great restaurants and shopping, local entertainment, world-class art, and open green space. The dynamic and diverse community was a major draw for buyers within this development. In the early stages of the project, the goal was to create a lifestyle-focused development that enhanced the lives of people in this highly desirable community. Residents include working professionals, many of those being in the medical or research fields, as the Longwood Medical Area is minutes away. There are also some students, as the Pierce is centrally located near public transit and is walking distance, minutes from Northeastern, Boston University, Simmons, Emmanuel, and Berkeley. The condos begin on the 19th floor, featuring 3 sides of floor-to-ceiling windows to maximize wraparound views of the Charles River, Cambridge, downtown Boston, Fenway Park, and Boston Harbor. Units are in an open concept style with either 9-foot 6-inch or 10-foot 6-inch ceilings and a curtain wall of glass. Living areas have wide plank engineered oak flooring and recessed LED lighting. The homes have a beautifully designed chef-rated custom kitchen featuring a waterfall quartz countertop and backsplash, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, as well as a built-in wine fridge. Gas ranges and large built-in Sub-Zero refrigerators make this kitchen great for those who do heavy cooking. Above the marble counters, there is plenty of storage within the custom European tan cabinetry. The kitchen living spaces are excellent for entertaining and hosting guests, but are also very functional for everyday life. The layouts maximize the usability of the space and are optimized to deliver excellent views, even from units on lower levels, all equipped with motorized window shades. The larger homes here have standalone kitchen islands, while the smaller 1- and 2-bedroom units have a peninsula-style island. Some residences include a private outdoor balcony and gas fireplaces. Each unit has a spacious primary suite that offers the same floor-to-ceiling windows with excellent natural light and views, along with an oversized walk-in closet. The 5-piece primary ensuite bath has dual vanities with a floating backlit mirror, heated floors, and a walk-in frameless glass shower. Residences with 3 or more bedrooms have a primary bath, which features a separate tub and shower. Secondary bathrooms feature a tub-shower combo with the same flooring and backlit mirror as the primary. Every home includes a Bosch washer-dryer along with numerous closets throughout the hallways and bedrooms for additional storage. The penthouses here feature marble gas fireplaces, private balconies, marble kitchen islands, and marble surround in the primary and secondary bathrooms. One of the draws to the building is that many of the units include deeded parking spaces. These are assigned self-parking spaces in the heated garage beneath the building, accessed via garage door opener. Almost all of the other luxury high-rise buildings in Boston are valet parking only, which is not always ideal. Select residences also include climate-controlled storage units within the garage. Units range in size from 1 to 3 bedrooms with between 612 and 3,200 square feet. There are also configurations which include dens or studies as well. Prices for 1 bedrooms range between $1 and $1.6 million. 2 bedrooms range between $1.7 and $3.5 million. Lastly, 3 bedrooms range between $2.5 and $4.6 million. The average sales price per square foot at the Pierce is $1,746, making it by far the most expensive condo building in the Fenway. Sales here are relatively infrequent, with only 7 transactions occurring in the building over the last 12 months. HOA fees are a little over $1 per square foot, ranging between $650 and $4,500 monthly. This fee includes heat, water, hot water, gas, insurance, security, maintenance, and all amenity spaces. Taxes are determined based on assessed unit value and range between $6,000 and $35,000 yearly. Looking at amenities, the Pierce offers 20,000 square feet of meticulously designed amenity spaces that blend sculptural interior architecture with carefully curated artwork inspired by local contemporary artists. The common areas feature rich, elegant materials and finishes that highlight spectacular views, creating open and welcoming spaces where residents can entertain or relax. On level 30, the Levity Lounge serves as a social hub exclusive to Pierce condo owners and their guests. This luxurious space includes a private sun deck, an intimate dining room with a fireplace, a secluded library, and floor-to-ceiling windows providing 360-degree skyline views. The sky deck complements this with a kitchen, barbecue grills, a gas fireplace, and a skytop pool with an expansive deck and hot tub, offering an oasis in the sky. The Levity Lounge also hosts exclusive Pierce Platinum events, providing residents with unique experiences, such as food and beverage tasting events. This space is designed for socializing, dining, and personal moments, all set against the backdrop of stunning skyline views. For wellness and relaxation, the rooftop pool and jacuzzi offer a new perspective on the city skyline. The sky deck's landscaped garden, outdoor kitchen, and fireplace create the perfect setting for gatherings with friends, enhancing the community atmosphere of the Pierce. Several of the units include private cabanas on the rooftop deck. Level 18 houses the Mezzo Lounge, which features a sophisticated catering kitchen, a state-of-the-art conference room, a media room, and an arcade. These spaces are designed for both professional and recreational activities, ensuring a balanced lifestyle for residents. The fitness and wellness amenities on Level 2 include a fully equipped fitness center and a private yoga studio offering fitness on demand. Additionally, there is a pet spa with a washing station and a laundry room with commercially sized washer and dryers. On Level 1, the residence lobby and mailroom offers refrigerated storage for grocery deliveries, ensuring that residents' items remain fresh until they can be collected. This level also provides convenient access to on-site retail and dining, including a high-end restaurant, a wine bar, and a furniture store. The Pierce residences are situated in the Fenway, a vibrant neighborhood brimming with energy, history, and innovation. This area is also home to some of the city's most renowned cultural institutions, recreational spots, shopping destinations, and dining experiences. The Fenway is very lively and easy to explore on foot. Residents can visit the Museum of Fine Arts Boston, which houses one of the finest art collections in the country. Residents also have access to green spaces such as the Emerald Necklace, a famed green space designed over 140 years ago. The Emerald Necklace features parks and waterways linking Boston and Brookline, ideal for running, walking, biking, or relaxing. Fenway Park, the jewel of the neighborhood, is walking distance to watch a Red Sox game or attend concerts and events. The Fenway train station is 1-minute walking distance away from the building, which lets residents quickly access the rest of the city. There is a big arts and culture scene in the Fenway, with the Museum of Fine Arts and the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum, located steps from the Pierce. The neighborhood is also home to the Boston Symphony Orchestra and the New England Conservatory, hosting celebrated musicians from around the world. Dining and shopping options in the Fenway are exceptional, with over 50 dining venues within a half-mile radius. The area has a diverse culinary scene with dozens of high-end and more casual options, as well as the Time Out Market, which features 15 eateries, 2 bars, and an outdoor event space. The Fenway also has free events and programming throughout the year, such as outdoor movie nights, complimentary fitness series, and culinary events, all conveniently located directly outside the Pierce. Educational institutions near the Pierce include MIT, Harvard, Boston University, Northeastern, and the Massachusetts College of Art and Design. Just steps from the Pierce is the Longwood Medical Area, which is home to internationally acclaimed hospitals and research institutions. This area is a hub of research, healthcare, and intellectual activity, contributing to the Fenway's dynamic environment. Overall, the Pierce residences offer a luxury living experience in a premier, centrally located Boston neighborhood. This newer construction development is easily the nicest condo building in the Fenway. If you'd like to come tour this building in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or are relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.